Let's get into the end of day for today. Starting off with USD CAD. Again, I didn't really participate in the daily inflection of actual trading, but like I said, I'll come back like every day till Monday. I think on Monday I'll officially be fully back, but I'll come back on a daily basis and just same as tomorrow, and then Sunday will be the first actual week where I'll have no interruptions, hopefully. The one other thing is shit. Yeah, I was like, why? I was thinking to myself, why wouldn't have I mapped the internal guy? Now this thing is bugging and the internet is slow, so I'm going double eyeballs here. Anyway, not much change like on the 4 hour eyeballs daily pullback. Now you're about to reach these 4 hour zones in here, which should provide a pullback of sorts. Actually include this 4 hour expectation for the 4 hour would be like to break the swing low, also because the 4 hour is bearish or bullish. The 4 is actually bullish. Why did I not change this? What did I do? What is going on, chief? Give me this. Let me edit. This thing is tripping balls. How can I edit? This is actually bullish. Right on the 4 hour. And then of course expectation is for the swing low to hold, right? Already coming to a daily zone. Of course you'd expect a reaction from here, but expectation is for this 4 internal high to go. Once the internal high goes, expect the pullback and then the start of the 4 hour swing run, right? So in terms of M15, I wouldn't be looking to sell in here, even though the M15 is bearish. I'm looking at the higher time frames and with an expectation of this to break out, giving us a 15-minute bullish swing and then it following the internal, just like I explained. So those are my expectations for that. And then GPUSD, not much on the daily, but bearish candle. 4 hour basically tested the internal high, failed to break, which kind of means now it'll start moving lower. Looking at USD CAD is looking like it's going to be bullish. You can start expecting like GU to be bearish, even though that's not a obvious thing, but it's possible. Also, we haven't broken the internal high or low, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. And then Euro USD starting on the 4 hour. Is this like this is not an end of day, honestly, because it's not like I'm going through what happened during the day. I'm just updating the charts. Maybe on Sunday, you know what, on Sunday I will actually commit to this, actually go through the entire week's price action, even though I can't do it like as a back test, which would have been better. It will be a forward test But at the very least, I'll look through the entire price action for the whole week and see if we actually missed something in there. So an update only on structure right now is fine, and then Sunday I'll do like a whole shebang, right? Maybe an hour long video just looking at all the moves that I potentially missed. So yeah, I'm not even gonna commentate further. As you can see, Euro GPY still bearish, still within this probably a peg or something. I know when not a peg, what's it called again? An intervention by the Bank of Japan. I'm already willing to bet this is like an intervention. Bank of Japan intervention. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like I said, right. As you can see, Japan to keep intervening to defend on 60 per dollar level. Yeah, BOJ aggressive yen intervention. Yeah, to keep intervening. Yeah, if you didn't know what that is, probably do a little bit of fundamentals, right? Do a little bit of fundamentals, it'll help. Like just knowing what an intervention is and not have a move that you don't know what happened and can't explain, and then you just start shouting manipulation or something dumb like that. But yeah, anyway, that was that for today. Peace.